Gold versus Bitcoin, the battle of the weekly price charts. I'll tell you what I see. And whales are gobbling up Matic. Also, we'll take a look at its day chart. And boy, do I have a lot to tell you about Binance. They are in hot water. And Kwon, he was up to his usual shenanigans before he was arrested in Serbia. And we'll take a look at Epic Cash's volume in the past 24 hours. I want to know what your favorite crypto is. Leave it in the comments below. And tomorrow I'm going to look at about 10 of them. I'm going to open up their charts and tell you what I see on their charts one after another. All this and more. This is Bitcoin's weekly chart, and I am looking at its moving averages here. I want them to be stacked positive, and they are not, and I'll tell you why. I want to see the 200-day moving average down here, the 50 above it, the 21, and then the 9. We don't see that. We see the 200. We see the 9. We see the 50. We see the 21. It's stacked negatively, but Bitcoin's chart is starting to trend upwards. So I'm anticipating that these moving averages start to stack positive the way good old gold's is. When I see a good chart, I don't mind saying it. It's gold. A lot of people are either pro gold or pro Bitcoin, or they like the combination of both. But a good chart is a good chart, and we can learn a lot from it. Check it out. What do you see with its averages? I've circled it here. Red, green, blue, and gold. 200, 50, 21, and 9. Perfect. This is perfect. Memorize this, because hopefully in the next year, we will see this set up more and more. As a turnaround becomes stacked negative, that means the price is going down along with it. So interesting stuff here, folks. Gold is looking good on its weekly day chart. So what I see about a weekly chart versus a day chart, a weekly is a stronger conviction of something that's happening right before your eyes versus the day chart. It's a longer time frame. I take it more serious. So memorize this. Your 200's down here. Your 9 is up here. Perfect setup. And you know who else has this setup going on right now? Matic. Oh yeah, we'll get into it in a second. So bullish signal. Matic becomes top 3 most purchased coin among Ethereum whales. So I'm not going to read that. That's by News BTC. But let's look at his chart. And yeah, let's check it out here. So its 200 is right here. Its 50 is here. 21 and 9. Stacked positively. And what are the headlines saying? The whales are starting to gobble it up. It's not by accident. This isn't a coincidence. Charts don't lie. We have to take them, though, with a grain of salt. We have to add in headlines. What's going on in the world? What is your government saying about your asset class? We can't see really the surprises coming, but we see trends. We see trends. And a good chart doesn't happen overnight. One candle equals 1 week. So you take a sampling of the weekly events and you stand back and you look at what you see. I'm seeing a nice looking chart. That's all. Will it be nice a month from now? I don't know. But let me tell you, it's nicer than it has been when it was way back here in June 2022. So we are looking good. This is important stuff here, being stacked positive. Memorize it. The last thing I want is for Binance to be in trouble. The Wall Street Journal came out with this. Binance.us struggles to find a bank to take its customers' cash. Yes. As a stopgap, the exchange is using at least one middleman to store users' funds on its behalf. This isn't good. Now, the U.S. affiliate of global crypto exchange Binance has struggled to find a bank for its customers' cash after the failure of Signature Bank, we remember this just happened, left it without a key banking partner. People familiar with the matter said users' dollars deposits were previously sent to either Signature Bank or Silvergate Capital Corp. According to Binance US website, the failures of Signature and Silvergate, both seen as friendly to crypto companies, left many crypto firms rushing to find new banking partners. Not good. Hoping this will be resolved soon, but this is not good news. I can't just tell you the good stuff. And like I said, you got to pay attention to headlines. We don't want Binance to get into trouble now, do we, if we're into crypto? But it doesn't end there. Binance and Miami Heat's Jimmy Butler hit with $1 billion crypto lawsuit. $1 billion crypto lawsuit. My gosh. Now, this is alleged. Jimmy Butler has not been charged with anything. Let's be fair here. He's being accused of touting, and that's a big accusation. I don't know if he'll be charged with anything, but I notice a lot of celebrities, they get into endorsing crypto or crypto exchanges or say a stock, and there are different rules to that game than say if you endorse a car or cologne. And I don't know the rules. I don't know the rules, but I know one thing for certain: you must disclose how much money you were paid. And you have to do, I imagine, other things too to be in compliance. Otherwise, you can get hit with a hefty, hefty lawsuit. Kim Kardashian, I talked about her before. She was paid like $1 million something to tout, promote Ethereum Max, and she was fined like $25 million. That's 25x. She made $1 million. She had to pay out 25 back to the SEC. Imagine, that's crazy. I think she didn't know better. I think there's a lot of regulations that people don't know about when it comes to endorsing crypto, securities, commodities, things like that. And we gotta know. If we're going to be in this world, we gotta know. And I find that celebrities innocently walk in. The celebrities do. The sharks, maybe not so innocently. So we'll have to wait and see on this. Like, it's alleged. Maybe they didn't do anything wrong. I got to rant about Kwon now. So Kwon registered a business entity while hiding out in Serbia, despite a large-scale manhunt. Number one, Kwon always denied that he was on the lam. He always denied that Interpol had a red notice out on him. He denied being in hiding, and he even did interviews saying that, oh, I'm going to work on a new project because I'm feeling so good, my mind is clear. He never had any remorse that a lot of people lost a lot of money when there was the collapse at Terra in May 2022. No remorse shown whatsoever. Yeah, whatsoever. But he did, however, keep his word, because in an interview with Laura Shinch, he was like, yeah, I'm working on a project, I'm thinking of something. And my God, he actually had the gall to register a business in Serbia, where he had to show his passport, and they did a major background check on him, and they found that he did not have an Interpol red notice on him or anything else glaring. Strange. Or is it? You know, all the time that I've been doing videos on Kwon's shenanigans and where he could be, I was never able to find out if he had an Interpol red notice on him or not. Like, I saw a lot of headlines saying he does, and I was always careful to say it's alleged. I even contacted Interpol, and of course they didn't write me back asking about Kwon. And Kwon is not his real name. I use his real name when I contacted them and his alias. So I never had a straight answer. So to me, I have not seen real proof of it. If you have proof that Kwon had a legitimate red notice on him, show it to me. Not hearsay, somebody else saying, I want proof. But however, what I did find out about the red notices is that Interpol can put out a red notice on somebody and send it to countries only and not put it out to the public. That could have happened here. Again, I don't know. I have no proof that there was a red notice. He's always denied it. I don't know. I want to know, though, if there really was or not. I might have been telling the truth. I don't know. All right. Epic Cash. So I do have a playlist about Epic Cash. I've been graciously welcomed into their community. They appreciate it when I go over their coin, and I'm not going over it because I just want the views. The views help my channel for sure, but I like what I see in its max supply. You guys know that is 21 million, the same as Bitcoin, and I want to see if this thing pumps up when Bitcoin starts to pump up, because if it does, it could fly. It's set up in a way that it could. All else being equal. Now, this is purely from a technical analysis position. But today I just want to talk about the 24-hour volume. It's double what it's been the past few days. I just wanted to shout that out. I want to see a lot more volume. Liquidity is key in crypto, but liquidity, sometimes it just takes time. You have to be patient with certain things to grow. So I'm just curious to see if that continues to go up, if that's its trend, and just wait and see. I like to watch this one. Also, tomorrow, I'd like to do a part of my video dedicated to your favorite cryptos. Yes, your favorite cryptos. So go in the comments right now. Tell me what crypto you want me to look at tomorrow. And what I'll do, I'll just jump over to its chart. I don't know if I'll do the daily or the weekly yet. I'll just see what cryptos you guys come up with, and I will quickly eyeball them one after another, and I'll tell you what I see in their chart. So none of this is financial advice, guys. Hit that like, subscribe, and remember, I'll be back tomorrow, and have yourself a fantastic Easter weekend. Goodbye.